Yo, yo. Hey. Yo. What's up? What's up? What's up? Yo. Okay. Chill. Yo, yo, yo. What's up, what's up, what's up? Super cold in here, man. Let's turn on these lights. What's good, man? Yeah, we took this win here, and a win earlier. I've taken 2 trades I've taken 2 trades pre NY Open. Let's remove this trade for now. Let's delete this. Let's keep this on. You got engineered sell side here once more. Still hasn't been solved. Yo. Let me fix this camera a little bit. Okay. What's that on my face? What's good. So what I'm looking for this macro, let's lower this music a bit. I feel like I'm in a stadium or something. But what I'm looking for this macro is a potential pullback higher, which we're seeing here, and then a reversal back to these lows here. Do we have SMT in these lows, guys? No, we don't. Okay, I wanna see these lows get taken. We're still in premium here. Okay, perfect. Just stepped into this 15-minute SIBI up here. I've taken this win already. Let's see if we can get another trade in. Yo. Let's check if my stream is running correctly. ICT saying 9:32 is your first presentation. Yes, sir. We have it marked out. ICT. Is he gonna trade the inversion from it? Who knows? Is he gonna trade the inversion from it? Who knows? Right. Okay. And ES is dropping. NQ is holding back at the end dog. We are in a race now. Let's put on ES here. Get the 1-minute chart. ES has taken the lows. NQ is holding back. ES crashing. NQ is following through. Yo. I was pleased enough to get 2 trades pre-macro here, pre-NY Open, my bad. 9:30 inversion here. It's gone already. We're waiting 9:50. Guys, if we get 1 trade, I'm done. I've taken already 2 trades. And I just want to get this last one. This trade will put me at 2K in profits on the challenge. Yesterday we have taken 2 losses unnecessary off stream. Spoken about them on Twitter if you're not following me there. They were really unnecessary. completely agree with that, and I know I made a mistake, but you know, we grow and learn, as we spoke about it yesterday. Okay, let's put them here on the same interval. Let's go 15 minutes. Okay, now let's go 4 hour. There we go. 4 hour chart. Okay, no SMT. No SMT. Okay, guys, we're still safe here for continuations lower. But we want to see a strong continuation close, which is these lows here. Oh my god. What are these lows? You know what? Do something here. Let's put remove in the sweat. Let's see how many of them get removed. Okay, so these lows are actually there. Oh, I see. Relative equal lows. And that's gone. These lows are gone, man. They're not safe. Turn my deleted over there. This low is gone. Okay. Still see continuations lower. I can't read any pullback to the upside unless it goes up to these relative equal highs here. What's this high? This high is at 9, 8, yeah. Relative equal highs up here. No SMT. They should be taken as well. Well, let's wait and see if they manage to do a reversal. I don't see an SMT for reversal. That's my first red flag for reversal. That's why I'm not considering one. Just see a body SMT here. Is that 5 minutes here? Yeah, it's a 5 minute body SMT. Yeah, mom. Got the low. Okay. You got EQ here. I don't like these highs here. But let's wait and see. Let's just post our stream on YouTube. Maybe we can let some people join. Got big RTH gap above, relative equal highs above. Yeah. And this high is up here. Is this high? Open RTH gap. You know what? Let's look in here. Try to determine this direction, man. How to put this on? Put in a clean 50 here. Let's edit this text right away. EQ. EQ is right in the middle of this analog. This level is very important here. It's a CE of this RTH gap, and we have this N dog along with EQ here. I think this level could cause a reaction up to the lower side, and we can take it lower again, down to these lows. Good morning, bro. What's up, Sharky, man? How's it going, bro? One second, let me change something about the lightning. Maybe Maybe that's better. What's good? No, don't die on me, bro. My lightning is dying already. It's not even macro time. I think I didn't charge it. Oh my god, this thing is annoying. I really hope it doesn't die. Come on, bro. We need some good lightning here. Yeah. There we go. I'll turn you off now. Put you on a charger. You know what? Just stay on. Just put you on a charger, bro. Stay. It's a stream opening. What's up? What's up? What's up? Is it the dark area or just the dark area? Is this a dark area? What's up? Short of EQ here. Let's make sure our EQ level is correct because I might be wrong here. That's how I placed it. Because I was in a hurry. Okay. So we're short of RTH gap CE and we're short of EQ here. Still sees a macro popping up higher, tapping these two levels and before potentially seeing any rollovers to the downside. We have these tagged lows here, a lot of relative equal lows right there. That's our easy liquidity and we got relative equal highs above. So I want to see a clear reaction here. I want to see something very clean, decisive, knows where it's going, volume, you know, all of that to take a short lower. We got a nice high probability inversion here. Potential, you know. Let's look at that order flow here. It's an hourly suspension block, maybe. Right there. What do you want to do, NQ? No, I'm not taking any shorts now. You have to tap EQ, man. What are you gonna do here, NQ? Oh, bro. Do it. I'm not gonna take any shorts here, guys, just because we're short of intraday EQ here and we're short of this RTH gap CE and I don't like that. Let's clean up the charts a bit so I don't confuse you guys. Is what I'm looking for in price. You know what? No, my bad. Keep this one. Turn this one off. So. We are not taking this trade, guys. Not taking that. I want to put an X marker here. Copy that, put it here. Big size, man. Let's save it as well. X. Oh my god. What did I just say? Okay, we're not taking this one here. Is this asking about buy side? We're not taking this trade. We are waiting. How's your day going, Sharky, man? How's it going, bro? Take a look at. Thank you for showing up once more, bro. Means a lot, man. For real. How's it going, bro? All is good, man. Alhamdulillah. I've taken to the beer every day, mate. Thank you, bro. Thanks a lot, man. Thank you, bro. I've taken 2 wins already today. I've taken this macro short here. Okay. And I've taken a short up there. Let me show you on the executions here. I've taken this short here, and I've taken this short here as well. Just took my piece of this big move, you know. Here and here was my model, of course. Yesterday I did 2 mistakes which were unnecessary, but it's okay. Thank you, man. Really, this means a lot, bro. I've been joking, bro. You're making me feel emotional a little bit, bro. Thanks. I've always wanted to be helping people, you know, is what I learned from these markets. It has been a very tough journey with these markets, man. We're taking this short, guys. We are staying cautious. I think it has it 1-to-1 either ways, but yeah. But I'm not taking a short here. Waiting 10 AM open now. Interesting open. Let's get it, sure, okay. Let's get it, bro. Interesting open here because once this 4-hour closes, we'll have this SIB here. Following this bearish order flow we have been seeing from the market, nothing changes. I've been closing below NWAGs, utilizing them as a resistance, as you can see. Very precise resistance there. And then continuing this bearish order flow, you can see this SIB here, which will be used in the future. So let's put a line here. Let's make it black. And let's type, let's make that black as well. I bet black 4-hour CB low. Or let's make it IFG low. Not bad. And this should be used as resistance with a new 10 AM candle to take it lower, which is also very nice. It makes sense since it's above our equilibrium level, it's in premium, and it's in the RTH gap upper portion, so that makes a lot of sense for it to be used as well. And if they don't use it and they just get up here and give us setup, I'll still do that, but this is an extra confluence here in price. Let's focus here. Got the 10 AM opening around the corner. Deleting this, not paying attention to that. We got the news fair value gap smacked here. up and down, removing that. We got this midnight now, useless. It was used in the past, so I'm also removing that. And right now we're just utilizing this 930 FP, which is the main focus now. I'm putting the lightning on again. I feel like a trade is coming. Yo, there we go. Told you it was dead. There we go. There we go. We're live here every day, man. Get that money. I want to pass this account. I got a funded account already, but on CFDs, but they lowered the leverage, and I've been taking wins and wins and wins, but it's all like $7, $8, $20, $30 a trade. It's very small progress to make a payout, and to make a payout you need a minimum winning day of 100, and I'm not gonna risk that on this CFD account because I only go for one-to-ones and they want you to hold longer or risk more, and you can't risk more, so you will have to hold longer. And in most cases it's against your rules. They want you to break your rules, basically. Funding pips, that's what they're doing right now. But I mean, I love this firm, but they got some sneaky tactics and I'm not gonna fall for it, to be honest. I'm gonna be patient, only taking my one-to-ones as we do in futures, same thing we do in CFDs. Price has pulled back up. Told you this inversion is not worth it. We are popping up. 10 AM should retest and give us this dump, or if we see a strong order flow, we can play a continuation trade here. But I think with this 4-hour closure, order flow is super bearish. This should send us lower, and it was a daily closure and the hourly closures here, especially with the equilibrium of this range. There, should just retest this lows. Makes sense for me. Got a devil's mark here or what? Yeah, devil's mark on 1001. Putting this out here. See, man. I like the new music. Hope you're liking it. If the sound has any problems, please let me know. Sure, okay. I don't know, man. Here we go. Price is popping up. Demolish this inversion. This inversion here is dead. Okay. This will be reclaimed in the future. Do we have an SMT here, guys? Yeah, we do. Is this 1 hour candle high? Tim has mentioned that already in the Discord as well. Look. Yeah, there we go. Just marked it. This inversion here makes a lot of sense. I'm all about this inversion here, guys. I'm going for my one-to-one. Let's calculate risk here. We got 51% potential points. So that's 5 contracts on here. Got 5 here. I got the CFDs ready as well. Okay. Start recording that. I mentioned this in the Discord as well. I'm in the Discord trading my Po3. They're gonna take the same setup. That's very nice signature here. Very nice. S4. We are gonna put here. Need what? Okay, no closures. We only take closures below inversions and then take it lower. No closures yet, no trade, which makes us safe. And we also got another key level up here we're not worried of, which is this 4-hour fair value gap inversion high, which makes sense. Let me write it out here. This level 2494964. 24964 1.5. Or 3 below. Okay. Let's put this out there. I like this inversion now. Potential inversion. Let's keep an eye on ES if the SMT has been removed or what. No, SMT hasn't. Still have an SMT here. We want one more. Sorry guys. We want one more pop up here. I'm locked and loaded to take it. 25099 might be the draw. 25. Where's that? You mean longs? Yeah. I'm looking for shorts, bro. Or do you mean that might be the draw? Oh, my bad. Yeah, this level here. Yeah, I know what I mean, bro. But I'm waiting to see, like, for example, this 15-minute inversion or something to materialize itself in price before actually aiming up here for this highs. I want to see like a strong order flow confirmation. Yeah, I get your point. They are suspect indeed, but you can't, like, since the order flow has been really bearish on the daily and the 4-hour chart with this inversion here, the last thing that occurred in price, this daily SEBI, you can't really aim for that right away, you know, unless you're some wizard. But yeah, bro, dear thing, man. But I like your idea as well. I'm gonna wait here. Yeah, market's popping. I want to put this 15-minute inversion here. Let's make sure I have it correct. If this materializes itself in price. 5 minutes. I think we're doomed here. Nice. Nice. I don't want to see this 5-minute closing above as well here. That's why I'm keeping the chart on the 5-minute. Nice, 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 nice. Let's look for a change in state here. Okay, this will be a very nice 5-minute closure. Already tell. We got potential 60 points here, which is 4 contracts. Okay, you got 2-minute inversion here as well, busy, I mean, and the 3-minute, but we will be waiting for this 1-minute inversion while we use others to confirm our order flow that it's shifting. That's what I usually do. So thirsty today again. This thing, man. Text. Spawn 950 here. Very bad, man. Yo, what's up, bro? Yeah, I'm streaming, man. What's up, Po3? How you doing, brother? Thank you for showing up, bro. I stream NY session every day, man, on YouTube. I've been doing that for a week now. Just started. Been trying to start earlier, but I wanted to get everything correct. I also wanted to get a 50k to start the journey here. Where's the 50k? Yeah, we got that running, man. Thank you for joining up, bro. Yo, bro, we gotta play Arc Raider sometime together. I see you. Like, I'm very good at that game right now. I see you on most of the time. Thank you, bro. Let's see. So as you have said, Sharky, if this 15-minute closed above, I don't think it will be worth it to look for a trade anymore during this macro, to just be super risky. And we got a minute and a half left, and maybe you could play a continuation trade up here, man. Yo, thank you for subscribing, bro. Just received it. Thank you. Just got a TPT 50k funded. First time dealing with trading drawdown. Oh, sorry. Do you mean like end of day trading drawdown or live trading drawdown? Because both of them are really bad, but end of day drawdown is somewhat tradable. But trailing drawdown is very hard, like live trading drawdown, equity, whatever they call it. Okay, and seeing a potential change in state here as well. But I wouldn't take it here because we got this 2-minute intraday. Whoa, this is very hard, man. That's just like Apex, I believe. Apex, my bad. Apex funding as well. We got this 2-minute inversion here. I'll wait for it to get confirmed to get a trade. Along with this change in state here. Potentially you can get a setup here. Use this stop loss. Change the state here. But 2-minute hasn't changed the delivery yet. We're still bullish here from this BSI. So we need to see this BSI flip, and that will confirm it for me. Yeah, we can trade Apex and Kuwait, you know. Yeah, my country as well in Egypt here, they're banned for some reason. I tried to open Apex website. There was like a 90% discount on, like they always have. And I tried to buy that account, bro, and it told me like countries blocked. And I don't even have like a credit card that works with dollars, so just use crypto and I use my funded futures. But the good thing about TPT, once you get above 2K in your funded account. What do you mean? Once you get above 2K in your funded account, it will sync to a real life account. Oh, okay. I understand, bro. What's the rules? What's the difference? You can withdraw anytime, or what's the difference there? Okay, we're about to get a 2-minute inversion and a 3-minute here. Now we'll have to use this stop loss now. That's 72 points. Need to do risk here. Let's calculate it quickly. 3.4. Okay, I can put on 4 contracts. So basically, once you get above 2K in profit, the trailing intraday stops. Following year and no consistency comes during time. Oh my god, bro. That's insane. That's very, very nice. I'll actually think about it. I might buy an account there, man. Once I get a payout from this 50K I have, I will actually get an account there. I need to. TPT. Take profit. It's a take profit trader, right? Problem is, I'm so scared from these pro firms. Like, I only go with this, like the big ones, like my funded futures, etc. Okay, we got this 2-minute inversion here now, guys. Once we get this end dog reclaim along with the 1-minute inversion, that would be a very nice short here for a 1-to-1 RR here. So we got SMT on the highs, we got order flow. Okay, on our side. Prices on our side. We got super clear draw down there. Okay, let's see. Respecting dealing range here at this point. Very nice. Let's see if we get this closure. I'm ready to execute. Okay, no closures yet, no execution. We're still waiting. Yeah, man, but kind of confused of how to do this intraday. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, bro. It's not my thing to do as well. I don't even know how to trade intraday, like trailing drawdown. I think you need to have very small targets like I do, or if you're gonna run for, or if you're like your system runs for bigger targets, then you need partials or a trailing drawdown. Trailing stop loss. You need to trail your stop loss a lot, maybe. No closures, no trade, guys. Okay, we're being disciplined here. Not gonna push any buttons. I'm holding my hand back and I'm not gonna click any buttons. This is the last minute for me. If we don't get this trade, because we closed above the end dog as well, and it's all it's 10:20 now. If we don't get this trade, I'm done for this macro, and I will be looking for the next macro. Okay, there we go. We just saved ourselves from a potential loss here by waiting closures here. No closure, no trade. Let's see. Yeah, bro, you gotta take some like 1-to-1s, maybe, or 1 to 1.5 or trades. Because to be honest, like, it's very risky with the trailing drawdown. This lightning keeps dying. It's dead already. I think I got scammed buying this lightning. I really like the reaction here. I might still take the trade just because if we get it now or in the next candle, just because we're respecting this level we have marked out here, this 4-hour inversion low, and we got this immediate rebalance on the 4-hour, so I'll give it a little bit of an extra room. The whole intraday range has been around 370 pips or something. 312, okay. So it makes sense to target 73. No big target. Not targeting the whole intraday range. Around the 25%. Yo, Artie, when is iftar time for you, bro? Iftar for us is in like 20 minutes now. Need to buy a larger desk and I need to get a third screen for ES. 540? Yeah, it's the same for us. Nice, bro. No, man. My iftar is right at the beginning of 1050 macro, bro. Like, right at the beginning of 1050. I usually miss this macro, man. There we go. We're gonna wait now, 1050. Closure, no trade. Saved ourselves here. What is this line? Oh, it's the RTH gap, not bad. Yeah. So, yeah. At this point, let's just see this recording here. So at this point, I'm not gonna force any trades, guys. I'm not gonna do anything stupid here. I've already taken 2 wins. This win here and this win here. 550 macro continuation setup to these lows. It was right above Asia low, which is here. Relative equal lows. Very easy setup, and then I took this same continuation setup on a 850 macro here, post news. Respecting news fair value gap, and then you see continuation setup, NWOG here, and dog, and yeah. So I still want to get one more trade in to end the week. I'll be patient, I'll be disciplined, and I'll take some time to rest now. And I'll be here by 10:45 macro, 10:50 macro. I'll be here at 10:45. Hopefully I'll be here when... The thing is, I got iftar, and it's really hard to stream this macro. Because at the time I'd be like... I'll be dead, I won't be able to speak, but... Let's see what I can do. Sippy here. Order flow is still bearish at this point. Take your time, Sharky. Take a break, man. I'm gonna take a break as well, but I'm not gonna force any trades here. I'm just editing a clip. I wanna post some clips to get some viewers in the stream. So I was just editing one clip. I wanna continue editing this. Yo, thank you, Shark. ICT is live. Okay. It's stretching time, guys. I need to take a break. All trades. This is a clip I'm editing, by the way, guys. The trade we took. Tell me what do you think? The quality isn't the best. I'm trying to work on it. Yeah. I need to get a new camera maybe. And a better recording system. Just go have patience here. Let's play a game of chess here, man. I'm very bad at chess, guys. Okay, don't judge me. Just play it for fun. Okay. Quick game of chess here. I'm very bad at this game, but to block this. Thank you. We got free queen from him. Thank you. Okay, that's a risky move now. You know what? Want to start spreading my queen. Maybe we can then. Okay, if I take, he can't take because I have a queen, or no, he can. I can take and then he can take, and yeah. So what I need to do here is. Yeah, anyway, he's asking for this. Other ways. Move here. What is he going to do? I think this is the best move. I can ask for his castle here. Okay, yeah, I didn't think of this. But now this is super risky. We're gonna lose this fight here. I need to back off, maybe. Yeah, I need to back off here. Because if I... What did he do? Okay. got my queen. Oh my god. What the hell was this? I didn't see that coming. How didn't I see this coming? Okay, my bad. My bad. I think I need to eat now. Let's not tilt, let's not tilt. I want to get this. Let's just get this guy up here. This. Okay. Let's open some here. We need to ask for this. You'll have to eat. Then I will eat. Then we can eat. What is he asking for here? No, he can't, right? No, he can't. He can't. Okay, he's protecting this. Why isn't protecting that? He's asking for this. Here. Oh my god, what are these indicate extensions? I have like a trillion extension up here. We need to ask for this horse here. He's asking for this, I'm asking for this. He will move his horse potentially here. Okay, here. Attacking. We can then sacrifice this gas allowance. You know what? It's a free 9 there. It's a free 9 free castle there. Sun is going down. To K King. played this move, so he can't move here. Now I'm blocking this. I'm blocking this. The only move he can move is here, and I'll checkmate here. Oh, we can't. No. Okay. Easy. Should be easy, right? Yeah. Checkmate. He'll move. Check. Done. Let's go, man. Oh, that was a really nice game. Okay, thank you. Let's wait for the macro now. I think I'm learning chess somehow. I'm very happy about that. You go, devil's mark here. Yeah, price action, bro, is terrible. It's very bad, man. Sorry. I want to play another game of chess. I think I'm addicted now. But we're about to enter this macro. You know what? Let's play a 1 minute game. This is the best thing we can do now. Let's go on a 1 minute game. Just won this match. Let's go 1 minute. Game. Thank you. New. Going 1 minute. No, let's go 3 minutes maybe. Yeah, we got 3 minutes. To focus on price here, but I'm gonna get a game. Where's my game? Oh my god, time's running out. Ready. Oh, my bad, I just plugged my bishop here. Okay, nice. Oh no. What am I doing? No. Okay, we lost. Oh. That was a hard battle there. you. Of these now. Oh my god, I don't like that. Okay, I think it's going higher now. It's gonna go higher now. I think we are doomed. Looking for, no, we got a devil's mark here as well. I didn't see that. Okay. Potential long setup here. Potential. Let's look on the 1 minute time frame. We go relatively close here. Do I have an SMT here? It's high, slow, low. Okay. Okay. Turbo price action. You're saying Cherokee. I think even with that SMT, this buy side here must be ran. Pre-macro or melting. Take this out and then look for long here. And to start recording again. The stream about to get a nice trade. Okay. That is very nice here. Macros opened lower. Want to potentially see price sweep these lows, potentially create an SMT around this end dog and then continue higher towards this engineered buy side. Overtaking these. So price continue higher towards this engineered buy side, red below end dog and this devil's mark along with this relative equalize up here. Getting super tired now. You got a nice sibby here. This sort of price action is making me sleep, man. This would be a very nice setup here. This would also be an end dog reclaim, pushing up higher from discount of price range. There. Let's use this low here. That's very bad. They're right above this low here. We're not taking any trade here, guys. We're waiting. No, guys, don't take any trades here. Relative equal lows. Need to wait. I think this will be a high probability inversion, is what they're doing. They will use this inversion to take out this low and then reverse it. It goes without me, it goes without me, I don't care. Relative equal lows, not taking a trade. Oh man. Second trade we avoid today. It's iftar time right now, but I want to see this macro play out and then I'm gonna go eat. Well, I'm super tired today. Okay, guys. I've had enough of this macro. I'm gonna watch this macro afterwards while I'm eating, but I think it's done here. Nothing fancy will happen. They'll just keep running hard potentially. And we're out with we missed this trade. And it's not big, it's not a miss. I've just avoided it. It's not full on my system because we have this relative equal lows here. Yes, we have SMT on this low, but still relative equal lows. I'm never longing with relative equal lows. Also, we had this long idea, but we can't break our rules, man. Thank you. Yeah, thank you, bro. We had to stay disciplined today. It was a very difficult day. It's very hard. Well done if you have managed your emotions during the week, your actions during the week, which is the most important. Well done, man. So, see you guys in another one. Enjoy your weekend. Peace out. See you.